My new album is called Revival. It comes out October 9th. And this whole year kind of has been a transition for me in every aspect of my life, from fashion to music to acting. And I feel very confident in the place I'm in. So my album basically represents the freedom, the power that I've gained. And I'm excited for people to hear that. It's going to be very different. I love traveling. It's a part of, what I do, but it also inspires me, being able to go to different places. And even if it's music or fashion, it's nice to get out of your bubble and travel. So as much as it gets tiring, it's equally as exciting. The series is incredible. I've actually had a relationship with Nicola for a few months now, and to see the growth and actually be a part of it and say, I saw that when it came out, or I got to be a part of it. It's incredible to see all of his work come together. It's actually very interactive, which is cool.